Right, here we go. This is like video 1 million on this whole ductwork mess that is back here. And but right now, today's little project is replacing the little 16-inch here with the bigger 18-inch, because I replaced the ducting here from 16 and moved it up to 18. So this also becomes an 18. And this will get a bunch of duct sealant all around here to seal this up. And since this is on the return side, it's sucking in, so I'll just gobble 5 pounds of the shit all around, and that'll seal it up airtight. And as you see, I have it flush, no trim right here, so I have the sheet metal bent over flat out here and drove the screws from the inside, so it goes all the way out to the edges as big as possible. And that'll take care of the airflow for room number 3 down here. And all right, we'll get back on this in a minute.